An unexpected crash paired with overnight search operations. Iran trembled with fear as the tragic news broke. President Ebrahim Raisi is no more. Iran declared a 5-day mourning period after Raisi's chopper crashed into a mountain. The Iranian president, foreign minister, and 7 others on board were charged to death. Tributes poured in for the deceased after the tragic accident. As investigations into the chopper crash begin, one stark question remains unanswered. Did Raisi's chopper meet with an accident, or did someone plot to kill the president? Here are the top 5 suspects who could have played a role in the deadly chopper crash.